in, come on in, come on in. Hey guys, my name is Rosin from Rosin Journey Through Crafting. How you guys doing tonight? So guys, I decided that I wanted to make me some pepper steak. I haven't made pepper steak in a very long time. So I decided to make me some pepper steak, and I decided to bring you guys along with me. You guys want some pepper steak? What you want in your pepper steak? You want some onions? You want some green peppers? You want some red peppers? How about we just throw some broccoli in there? On a real tip, what I have is 3 pieces of steak, okay? And I'm gonna cut them up, dice them up. So you guys come along with me and let's do that right now. We're gonna cut them up in strips, man. So this is our steak. All right, let me just move you guys around. Let me just get a nice little shot of that. Just check out that steak there, guys. Just check it out, check it out, check it out. All I'm saying is let's get prepared to cut, dice, and slice this baby on up, guys. So I'm gonna bring you in just a little bit closer, right there. Okay. So the first thing, cut up any kind of way you want, guys. I'm just gonna cut them, and we're gonna put it in a bowl because then we're gonna do our seasoning. Okay, so we're just gonna cut these up. Just nice pieces. Okay guys, so now for the dry ingredients we're going to put inside the meat and we're going to mix it. So the first thing we're going to do is use cornstarch. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons. The next is baking powder, a tablespoon. going to use our garlic and ginger. Okay. We're going to put some black pepper. Love the black pepper. Yes, ma'am. We're going to put some soy sauce. We're going to put some browning sauce. Sorry, this is the soy sauce we're using. You know the browning sauce, I always tell you, give you a nice brown color. And we're going to use some rice vinegar. Now this here is a smooth taste, guys. You have to try it. If you don't use rice vinegar, you need to try it. You can use it in salads and rice and meat, and in replace of lemon juice, you can use this. Very good, guys. So I'm going to shake it. I'm going to pour some in here. And I'm just going to mix it all together. I'm going to show you guys what it does. It gives it a nice, oh, look at this here, look at this here, look at this here. Oh, you should smell this. Oh, I forgot to tell you about the smell of the rice vinegar. Smells fabulous. Okay, guys, so this is what we have here. Look at that. Just look at this. Look at this. And what we're going to do now, it looks so fabulous. Are you guys ready for this? Are you guys ready for this? I am. Okay, guys. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cover this. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes and let all of that juice get up in there, guys. Let it get up in there. Let it get up in there. Okay, so then when it's finished, we're going to take the wok and we're going to fry these. And we're just going to get this party started. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys. What I forgot to do was put some sesame seed oil in this, so we're going to do that now. Don't forget your sesame seed oil. Okay, so we're going to pour that. I had to go back and get it. Okay, that should be enough. I had to go back and get it out of the refrigerator because I forgot. So we're going to give it another stir, and then I'm going to put it back. It all mixed up in there. And put it back in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, I'm starting the rice. So as you can see right here, there's my rice cooker. I rinsed my rice quite a few times. And the reason why I do that is to get the starch off the rice. Okay, so I'm going to start that. And we're going to put it on steam. We want steamed rice, so that's what we're going to do. There you go. So in a couple of minutes, we'll have some nice steamed rice, guys. I love this. If you guys have not invested in a rice cooker, guys, you like going to the Chinese restaurant. Some of us like going there just for the rice. Get yourself one of these babies here. Okay, guys, so we're going to be back in about 10 minutes to fry this meat up, put our vegetables in there, and we're gonna have dinner. Yes, ma'am, we am. All right, guys, as you can see, that skillet is hot. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna place our steak inside. Turn it up a little bit because I turned it down. I'm going to bring you a little bit closer. Look at that there, look at that there, look at that there. All right, now you guys are in my pot. How you like that? How you like that? We're going to just keep turning. You know I got to stick some olive oil up in these. You know they're going to start sticking. I'm going to just give it just a little bit of olive oil. Just to stop it from sticking. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is doing very good. I added some more sauce, right? So, you know, we can put it over our rice if you choose. So now I'm going to just add the onions and the peppers. And we're going to let that cook, and then we're going to add the broccoli. And then guess what, guys? This meal is going to be done. Oh, look at there, look at there, look at there. Can you smell it? Ooh-wee. Hey, can you say pepper steak? Can you? Let me hear you say that. Let me hear you say that now. Let me hear you say pepper steak. Girl, guys, people, it don't get no better than this, guy. Just look at it. Just look. All right, guys, we are so back. Guess what we're gonna put in this? You know I always gotta throw a twist in there somewhere. So we're gonna just throw our broccoli in there, turn it down a little bit, and guess what? Boom, we finished. All right now, so here we go. So let's give it a little turn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes. Who want to play? Who want to play? Just tell me you want to play. Yes, ma'am, you want to play this. Okay, guys. So, there you have it. My take on pepper steak. There you go. All right, guys, so what I'll be right back. I'm going to come back. We're going to plate our plates. We're going to sit down and we're going to eat. Bam! Rice is done. Ain't that beautiful? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys, dinner is served. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. This is Rosin from Rosin Journey to Crafting. Bon appetit. Love you guys.